Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to set up Exodus Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. You must first download the Exodus Wallet app on your device. It is available on Android, Apple, and PC. After the app is installed, open Exodus on your device and tap Get Started. You can receive, send, and exchange crypto on Exodus with full control of your funds. So tap Get Started. Here, tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Under Profile, tap Security. You can see there are 3 layers of security. First, tap Backup. This is the main security of your wallet. You are given a 12-word secret phrase. This phrase is the only way you can recover your funds if you lose the access to your wallet. So tap View Secret Phrase. Press and hold on the screen to view your secret phrase. Write down the phrase and keep it in a secure place. Next, go back and toggle on Secure with Passcode. The second layer of security to your Exodus wallet is the passcode. So, create a passcode and confirm it. Tap Continue. Now, the third layer of security is the biometrics on your device. So, toggle it on. So that's how you set up Exodus Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.